Hello everyone and welcome. This is Liz, the diamond painting hero, as known on YouTube and Instagram. I'm honored today to bring for you a new unboxing of a kit from Diamond Art Studio UK. It gives you, when you receive your kit, you will have a gift-like feel as your kit is covered in brown paper, and they include a thank you card to say thank you for your purchase. You feel valued, and then there you've got a bit more details about the kit, as well as a link to their socials. Oh my! This ribbon, purple ribbon. Then we look at the box. Oh, look there, looking like real diamonds. Oh my gosh. Diamond Art Studio. Then it says the high quality painting canvas, port glue and resin drills. A premium toolkit which you can choose whether you want it or not, or if you simply want wax. I haven't opted for the toolkit as I have got specific tools that I use when I'm diamond painting. You've got, if you choose to take the toolkit, you will get a diamond painting pen and a squishy, multiplacers, your tweezers, your tray and wax. On the box it also gives you instructions on how to diamond paint, as well as details of their socials. Wow, that's very informative so far. Okay, drills wise, you will see it is a magnificent amount of colors that you can view, and it comes in 2 packs, as there's 178 colors with 10 ABs. Now you're going to ask me, what is ABs? ABs, as known as Aurora Harness drills, which have got a coating that gives it the extra glimmer. Let's look at that glimmer. Oh my, oh, I love it. Okay. It comes in baggies, which makes it easier if you would like to just paint your kit, paint your thing out of the baggies. There's the sticker sheet. This is the sticker number, your symbol, and the DMC code. The DMC code, you can then store your leftover drills, and if you use a paper logbook, there's a sticker for your paper logbook included as well. And it also depends on the amount of stickers you need. You can have multiple pages of the sticker sheet. Okay, we can look at the canvas. We get Diamond Art Studio UK Limited, which is branded. You would see it is scalloped with and poked. What a lovely canvas. Then you've got the model number, which you will find on your drills, your sticker sheet and your box. The size, which is 60 by 80, as well as a schematic and a repeat of your color list. If you look at the drill field, you will see it's nice and clear, which means you do not even need to have a light board to be able to paint this kit. At the bottom, you will find details of their socials. Diamond Art Studio UK, which is their website, as well as details of the kit. Rain Dancer Denise by Helkoryo of from Diamond Art Studio. This is a license kit, which means that the artist is being paid for the art. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for your time, and hope you would like and subscribe for more diamond related content. It doesn't cost you anything. Thank you. Bye.